Namaste Guru and my dear friends. My name is Abhyanshu Adarsh. I study in grade 4 Gandhani in Parvartan School. Today I am showing a science experiment. In this experiment we want 2 tumblers filled with water, filled with cold water. Then we have to take some normal sugar and some big like a stone sugar. ठीक है. So in tumbler A I have given names that tumbler A, tumbler B. In tumbler A I have to put these molecule, and in tumbler B I have to put this normal sugar. Now I will mix it first in tumbler B A, but it is not mixing because these are very big and it has heavy weight, so the water cannot absorb his, and it is not big. So I will check, are they mixing? So now I will check, mix it. Yes, it is mixing. You will see that. Now you will see. The water is absorbing these. Now the level of sugar is decreases. Now I will mix it more, so it is mix will better. एक मिनट pause करो. And it is mixed. Now I will check the taste. Which taste are better? First in tumbler B. In tumbler B, the taste is very tasty and very sweet because sugar has absorbed the small particles of sugar. Now in tumbler A, not much better than normal water. So this experiment shows that water can absorb everything, but not the heavy thing. Thank you.